Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Carmine Sabia for Explain America, and there is massive breaking news out of the Trump trial in New York City, the fraud trial, the one brought by Letitia James, and her office has been rocked. Before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Those little things really help us out, and they help our channel continue to grow. So, Letitia James, has had this trial in front of this judge who, to the casual observer, to people like us, he appears and his staff appears to be pretty biased. You look at things that have been said by the judge, you look at political donations that have been made, you look at things that have been done by the judge's wife and said on various platforms by the judge's wife about the former president, and it's very hard to believe that he's getting a fair trial in New York. Well, the Trump team just made a move today that has rocked Letitia James' office, rocked the judge, and shaken the entire case to its core. Let's take a look.
This just in, Donald Trump is now officially asking for a mistrial in his civil fraud case in New York. Trump's lawyers are basing this request on what they argue are biased comments they believe that Judge Engoron made during the trial. The judge has already signaled, though, that a motion like this isn't likely to go far. CNN's Kara Scannell outside the courthouse for us in New York. Kara, what more you learn about this?
Yes, so Trump's team just filed this motion. They already said that they were going to bring it, but now it has officially been filed asking for a mistrial in this case. They say that the judge has been biased against them from some of the rulings he's made. They've complained a lot about him cutting them off from some of the comments he has made during the trial itself, now in its 7th week, and also based on his relationship with his principal law clerk. She sits up on the bench next to him. They pass notes between each other during the trial, and he often consults with her. That is something that they've really taken an issue with, saying that there is also bias here because they say the law clerk is biased. Now, she is the reason why the judge imposed the gag order in the case against Trump, and his lawyers asking them not to comment about her and specifically these communications. So the judge has already signaled that he is not likely to grant this motion. He has said that he has an unfettered right to communicate with his law clerk, who he relies on, and so he has suggested that this is not going to go anywhere. But now it is officially filed, and in the filing, Trump's team says that the evidence of apparent and actual bias is tangible and overwhelming. They say that it has tainted the proceedings. So the Attorney General's office has responded to this motion, saying that Trump is trying to distract from his fraud by bringing this. Again, we expect the judge will not grant this motion. Trump's team has already asked for a directed verdict in their favor, alleging that the Attorney General's office has not proved their case on the remaining 6 claims after the judge has already ruled in favor of the Attorney General that there is persistent and repeated fraud in these financial statements. The judge has not yet ruled on that either. Kate?
Still, as Trump team continues to make their case in court, and this continues. Great to see you, Kara. Thank you so much. Sarah?
All right.
Now, while it's unlikely the judge is going to declare a mistrial because of what he's done, what the Trump team has just done is laid the groundwork for the appeal, the inevitable appeal. The groundwork has now been laid. They've made their case. This is not for this judge. They know this judge is not going to declare a mistrial. This is for the appeals court. And I think they have a really strong case. I want to know what you guys think, so let me know in the comments. Also, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Those little things really help us out, and they help our channel continue to grow. I'm Carmine Sabia. This is Explain America. We love you guys. God bless you. Take care, everybody.